The Amazon rainforest, a vast and enchanting realm, beckons adventurers with its lush greenery and vibrant biodiversity. Exploring this magnificent landscape reveals an ecosystem teeming with life, where colorful birds flit through the canopy, and the symphony of sounds from unseen creatures fills the air. Each step along the winding trails whispers stories of ancient civilizations that once thrived amid the trees, waiting to be uncovered by the curious traveler. As you enter this living tapestry, prepare to witness nature's wonders unfold in dazzling abundance. Venturing deeper into the rainforest, one encounters a breathtaking variety of wildlife. The majestic jaguar prowls silently, a symbol of strength and grace, while playful monkeys swing overhead, chattering in joy. Look closely, and you'll spot dazzling butterflies fluttering like living jewels, their wings painted in brilliant hues. The rainforest is also home to countless species of frogs and reptiles, each with unique adaptations that showcase the ingenuity of evolution. Guided by local experts, you can gain invaluable insights into the delicate balance of this ecosystem and the importance of its preservation. Yet the Amazon is not only a realm of natural wonders, it is also a vibrant cultural mosaic. Indigenous communities, with their rich traditions and profound connection to the land, offer visitors a glimpse into a way of life that harmoniously coexists with nature. Engaging with these cultures presents an opportunity to learn about their customs, art, and traditional practices, fostering a deeper appreciation for their profound wisdom. Handcrafted artifacts tell stories of resilience and creativity, serving as reminders of the rich heritage that thrives amidst the towering trees. Through immersive experiences, travelers can forge meaningful connections, creating lasting memories that bridge the gap between worlds. As night falls, the rainforest transforms into a magical spectacle. The canopy glows under the starlit sky, and the nocturnal creatures awaken, their calls echoing through the darkness. Guided night walks reveal hidden marvels, such as bioluminescent fungi and the elusive sounds of the jungle coming alive. The Amazon rainforest, a symphony of sights and sounds, captivates the soul and inspires a deep reverence for the natural world. Whether you are an adventurer seeking thrills or a culture enthusiast craving authentic experiences, the Amazon offers an unforgettable journey that remains etched in one's heart long after returning home.